The Jura Giga X8 Professional is the embodiment of Swiss engineering at its most robust and refined, purpose-built for environments where coffee is not just a pleasure, but a necessity, be it a bustling office, an executive lounge, or a high-volume hospitality setting. The Giga X8 is designed from the ground up to deliver maximum performance, durability, and user-friendly operation, making it the gold standard for professional coffee solutions. Links to the best price for the Jura Giga X8 coffee machine are in the description box below. What immediately distinguishes the Giga X8 is its dual bean system, paired with two independent ceramic disc grinders. Each grinder can be electronically adjusted, allowing for a la carte bean selection, and ensuring that every cup is made from freshly ground beans that are perfectly suited to the chosen beverage. The automatic grinder adjustment system maintains the optimal grind size over time, guaranteeing consistent extraction and flavor even after hundreds of cycles. The Giga X8's brewing chamber is engineered for flexibility, accommodating between 5 and 16 grams of coffee per cycle. This allows for a wide range of beverage strengths and styles, from delicate lungos to intense espressos. The machine's two thermoblock heating systems ensure rapid, simultaneous preparation of milk and coffee, making it possible to serve two different drinks at once, an invaluable feature during busy periods. The 4.3-inch high-resolution touchscreen display is a model of intuitive design, offering clear navigation and maximum flexibility. You can easily select from 32 individually programmable specialties, tailoring each drink's strength, volume, and temperature. The interface also streamlines maintenance and cleaning routines, providing step-by-step guidance that minimizes downtime and maximizes machine longevity. As any Jura Giga X8 review will tell you, milk-based drinks are a particular strength of the Giga X8. The HP3 milk frothing system automatically switches from milk to milk foam, producing barista-quality cappuccinos, lattes, and macchiatos with consistent texture and temperature. The variable dual spout allows for the simultaneous preparation of two milk or coffee specialties, enhancing efficiency and accommodating groups or busy office settings. Jura's pulse extraction process is present here as well, ensuring that each espresso is extracted with optimal timing and pressure for maximum aroma and flavor. The result is a cup that is rich, nuanced, and crowned with a thick, lasting crema. The one-touch Americano function allows for the creation of light, aromatic, long coffees that retain the character of a true espresso base. Water quality is meticulously managed by the intelligent water system, which uses RFID to automatically detect the CLEARYL Pro Smart Plus water filter. This ensures that every beverage is brewed with pure, filtered water, enhancing taste and protecting the machine's internal mechanisms from scale and mineral buildup. The large dishwasher-proof drip tray and lockable bean and water containers further streamline operation and maintenance, making the Giga X8 exceptionally easy to manage in high-traffic environments. For those who value connectivity and control, the Giga X8 is equipped with Smart Connect, allowing integration with the Joe app. This enables users to customize beverages, schedule maintenance, and monitor usage statistics remotely, adding a layer of convenience and oversight that is invaluable in professional settings. With a recommended maximum daily output of up to 200 cups, the Giga X8 is built for endurance. Its Swiss-made construction, robust materials, and thoughtful engineering ensure reliable performance even under the most demanding conditions. The machine's weight and dimensions reflect its professional focus, providing stability and presence without sacrificing ease of use. In practice, the Jura Giga X8 Professional is more than a coffee machine. It's a high-performance beverage center. It empowers you to serve a wide array of drinks quickly and consistently, all while maintaining the highest standards of quality. Whether you're fueling a busy office, impressing clients, or enhancing the hospitality experience, the Giga X8 delivers a level of reliability, customization, and excellence that is unmatched in its class. I hope my review of the Jura Giga X8 made your decision a little easier. Don't forget to explore the description box for the best deals and more info on the machine.